Alright guys, it's Sunday afternoon and it rained most of the morning. Well, it was nice earlier this morning when I went shopping, then it rained most of the morning after that. Most of the day it's like almost 3 o'clock. Billy's not home, so I'm not telling him this. He'll find out tomorrow. But I took the 48-inch deck off of the Walker MT, threw the 56 side discharge on there. I have the blower lockout kit, as you guys know. But for those of you that were wondering, how do I fit two walkers in this trailer, this 14-foot trailer? Here it is. I mean, do you see how much room is left here? 56 side discharge deck on that, 56 side discharge on the B, push mowers back there, so plenty of room, fits in here easily.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. A life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take my...
See, that's a good thing, like I mentioned before, about properties that are wet. I mean, this property's wet and it's soft in a lot of areas, but these walkers are so much lighter than other mowers, we can still knock them out. I mean, there's spots that we can't do, like last week we could only come over to about here. This week Billy got 3 more passes over. That right there obviously we can't do because there's standing water, and right in here holds water. But no big deal. When we can when it dries up, we'll just knock it down and double cut it, or else bag it up. But we can still get 90% of this property done and still be out here cutting and still make some money. So you can tell it's a little soft right here, but Billy's going slow. He's making those 3-point turns, and he's doing it exactly like I want him to do. So he's able to still get a nice, good, clean cut and not tear up the property, which results in the customer being very happy and us making money. So Billy was quite surprised when I opened the trailer at the first property. He's like, what the? When he saw the other walker there. I really love the way that walker cuts. Because Billy just finishing off that last pass, he realizes he missed along the ditch there. I weed whacked it out about 1.5 feet, and he's taking care of that last little bit. But anyway, he was pretty surprised. He's always happy when we're running both walkers. But let me show you guys. I text my dealer and he's ordering me that height adjust kit for this deck too. The only thing that I don't like about this deck is this advanced chute system. I bought it because it's cheap and quick, easy install, as you guys know, but I don't like it, and this is why right here, because it comes up at an angle. Now, I mentioned this in a video last year, and a couple guys answered back and said theirs come up straight. I've been over 1,000,000 times trying to adjust different things. I've watched all the videos on it, and I cannot figure out how anyone can get these things to come up straight. If anybody knows, then let me know. You know, it pushes down, and it's down, but and the angle comes out, or the handle comes out an angle a little bit, but then I pull it up, and that's as high as it goes. It goes at an angle. The problem with it being at an angle like that is it hits things. And I have some gates that I could just barely get a 56 into, and it's tight. So I can't go through them now with this, because with it out at an angle, it's not going to fit through. If I just put it down, then it sticks me out another couple inches, plus the handle's out at an angle, so that's a problem. So if I can't figure out how to adjust this so it comes straight up and down, this one's coming off here, and I'll probably just put a quick shoot on it. I'm not gonna put a power shoot. It's easy to have the power shoot on that one because that deck stays in that mower all the time. It never comes off. But with this one here, it goes back and forth from this one to the 48 mulch collection deck. So I just don't want to put quick connects in there for the wires. I just don't want to screw with it. So it'll probably, this one would probably end up getting a quick shoot if I can't figure this out. Okay, so this really sucks. Not Billy's stripes. Billy's stripes are looking good. But I'll show you what really sucks. So, I had a camera, I had it on the front of the deck here, and I have these cheaper magnets, and I put on the bottom of one of my mounts. You guys know I use the heavy round mount on my cameras, and then I can stick them to anything. Well, I had this little square mount, and I put a couple small magnets on it the other day and thought, you know, this will work for little things. So I had it sitting right there, the mount with the magnets on the bottom and the camera on it, and I filmed a little bit of me just driving over to the piece I was going to go mow, and then my plan was to stick it up here while I mowed and let you guys see, because this thing just left a phenomenal cut over there. But I wanted to get you guys a different angle, and then at the same time, being on that flat mount, I could just set it on things. Well, I hit a bump and it come right off there.
It don't even go down to it. That's the battery.
Yeah. This is my camera. At least it salvaged my SD card, but this is what's left of my camera.
It's all cracked up
because it fell forward and went right under the deck and shot out the side of the deck into the street over there, and that really sucks. So
at least you have a
anyway, this is my favorite camera. You guys know I have the GoPro 5 black, I have the 7 black, which I'm filming on now, but this is my Sessions, and this is my favorite camera. So much so, because you can't even, GoPro doesn't even make these anymore. It's super simple. You set down something, you click the button, it turns on and starts filming. And then you click it again, it stops filming and it shuts off. It's so easy and so hideable. It's just my favorite. It always has been. I've had this for about 3 years. But I like it so much that the other day I found a used one for 80 bucks in free shipping on eBay, and it actually is getting delivered today. I got the alert it was out for delivery today. So I was so excited that I was going to have 2 of them now because they're so easy and quick to use. And here it is today. The new one is going to show up, and this is what I do to my other one. That really sucks. Now I got to go online and try to find another one for a cheap deal. Man, that's just depressing. Not only did I not get the shots over there I wanted to get, I destroyed my favorite camera. At least the SD card is still salvageable. Yeah. I can, maybe, if it'll come out of there.
There you go.
Yeah, because that's a 128 gig card. And I have footage on here.
From other...
I have footage on here that I recorded this morning. So, good thing.
It even stretched out the button.
That sucks. So I was just telling Billy that I had made one pass around, and I was getting ready to set the camera up when that happened. So I didn't get to film anything, and of course that walker cut like a dream. It would have been awesome footage, but since I couldn't frickin' film any of it, I was gonna go back to the truck and get this camera, and then I was so mad, I was just like, screw it. And so that right there, I'd made one pass around, and I was getting ready to set it up, and I threw it out into the road right over there is where it happened. It happened right up here in this shorter part. And then I cut that afterwards, and the thing just cut awesome. And I was so mad. But right here is where it threw it out on the road. Right down there. That's where I ran it over. There's little chunks of plastic. I picked up as much of it as I could. So here we are back at home, and a couple things to finish this off. I'm recording this on the new GoPro Sessions 4 that came in today. I know they make a 5. Ryan has one. He bought it a long time ago. He never used it. Maybe I'll see if I can get him to sell me that thing. He'd probably double the price on me. But anyway, so this is another 4 just like the one I ran over today. It's very depressing to me. Anyway, So I'm recording on this, and I pulled the Toro back out, and I'm going to run the Toro again tomorrow. I wanted to run that walker for a little while. I did order a set of run flats for the front of the Toro because I was having issues with that front tire again, even though I put some slime in it. So yesterday morning I put that out back when I put the Walker MT into the trailer, and so anyway, I get back, and there's an issue with that 56 deck where it's teeter-totter, and I can't figure it out. You guys know me. I know these Walker machines, man. So I don't know why it's doing this. Something is off on it, but that height adjust kit should be in a few days. So when that height kit comes in, that'll fix that problem anyway. It's something with the pins. But anyway, so that went back into the back shed again, and now the Toro is back on the trailer. Anyway, we pulled it out this afternoon. We got home here, and the tire's perfectly fine. It didn't leak down any air at all. So I don't know what the deal is with that. But anyway, so now we'll run the Toro again tomorrow. But this is that new GoPro Sessions, and you know, if any of you guys got one laying around that you don't ever use and you want to get rid of, send me a message. Maybe we can work something out. I love these damn cameras. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Hit that scribbity bobby button, and we will see you in the next one.